Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Monopoly Go account. So it's quite easy tutorial right here. So if you open your Monopoly Go and then you feel that you're not happy playing with this app and you want to delete your account, so tap on the three lines at the top right and then an option shows up here. Just tap on this settings at the bottom. And from here, you will find an account deletion button at the top of connect account. So you just tap on this account deletion. So once you tap this one, you'll find a message shows up here, confirm deletion. Are you certain you wish to permanently delete your account? Then tap on this continue button and your Monopoly Go account will be deleted. So that's how you basically delete Monopoly Go account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.